morning, everyone. Today, I have something special planned for you all. I woke up bright and early to capture the stunning beauty of the sunrise. There's something magical about watching the world awaken with the first rays of light, and I couldn't resist sharing this incredible moment with all of you. So sit back, relax, and let's experience the beauty and tranquility of a sunrise together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Let's dive into this awe-inspiring sunrise. Sunrise is one of the most special times of day. While each and every sunrise literally marks the beginning of a new day, it also reminds us that we too can start fresh with a good attitude, positivity, and gratitude. I hope you realize that every day is a fresh start for you, that every sunrise is a new chapter in your life waiting to be written. Every flower is a soul blossoming in nature. When you feel you depressed, just hide yourself in nature's lap. Feel the colors and beauty of nature. Sure, you will forget all the sorrows of your life. You will feel more energetic. If you live with nature, love with it, you never disappointed and lose hopes. Enjoy where you are now. Nature's beauty is like an exquisite painting that unfolds before one's eyes. It is a breathtaking masterpiece filled with vibrant colors and intricate details. lush greenery of the forest, the delicate petals of booming flowers, and the tiny thin stems all contribute to enhancement that nature offers. Nature's beauty is a constant reminder of the delicate balance of life. Day ends beautifully. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.